Hello children, how are you all? Children, firstly, I want to tell you that as you already know and listening that corona cases are rapidly increasing in Prayagraj. So children, please tell your relatives, friends and family need to stay at home, okay, and be happy. Children, now tell me, what is the date today? Today's date is 28th of July and 7th month of the year, and year is 20. Subject, which subject I teach you? I teach you maths. Now children, if I give you one sum and you have to solve it, okay, and you tell me what you have to do in that sum, okay. Now if I give you this 46 minus 23, okay, and this, what you have to do in this? You have to do what? You have to do minus, right, or add? No, minus, because of this sign. This sign is and this sign says we have to minus to both the number, okay, larger number and smaller number. Smaller number from larger number means we have to subtract. For 66 from 66 to 23 means we have to subtract 23 from 46. Now secondly, we have, and please remember, always remember that in subtraction we always have to write larger number on the top of the row, means on the first row, and smaller number on the second row, okay, below this number. Okay, now we have to subtract ones column firstly, okay. So 6 minus 3 is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 minus 3, so we have to go forward, backward. 1 2 3. How many lines are left? 1 2 3 lines are left. Now children, let's, the second is tens column. So 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 1 2 1 2 3 4 minus 2 1 2, okay. So how many lines are left? 1 2. 2 lines are left, okay. So what is the difference come? Difference comes is 23. Now children, if I give you one sum more, that here is tens and ones. If I give you 71 and 22, now you all have to subtract this number. We have to subtract this number. Firstly, ones column. 1 minus 2. Oh, what is written on the first column is 71. Yes, 22. 71 is larger. Then how I subtract 1 minus 2? Tell me. So what we have to do here? 1 is the larger and 2 is the smaller. Is we have to subtract? No. 1 is smaller and 2 is the larger number. So how we have to subtract? So children, we have to take the borrow one, okay. Now children, tell me, what is the topic today? Which topic I am going to teach you? I am going to teach you what? Subtracting two-digit numbers from two-digit numbers with regrouping, okay. So the topic is subtracting subtracting two-digit number with regrouping, okay. Children, as you are thinking that I said regrouping. Grouping and regrouping means you already heard this word, regrouping. What is regrouping? Firstly, grouping means the person or something are in grouping, okay, it's called grouping. Just like that, this number ones column and tens column, they all are in grouping. Okay, and if we make this number, or if we make the borrow, take the 1/10 borrow to this number, then that number which become that process is called regrouping. If we regroup that this number, then that number is called a regrouping number. Okay, now the process which I am going to teach you is also called regrouping number. That means subtracting 2-digit numbers is called regrouping number. Okay, now let's we see here. If we take borrow 1, so we have to make 71 and 22. Leave this column for the borrowing number. So here is 1/10 and 2 ones. Sorry, 1 ones and 2 ones. Okay. So how we have to take a borrow from 7/10? So children, take our borrow from 7/10. That means here 1/10, and or we say that ones column. So 1/10 plus 1 ones, what it become? 1/10 means that 10 ones. 1/10 means 10 ones plus 1 ones. What it become? It become 11 ones, right? So children, what it become? 11 ones. So we have to cancel, as with a slash line, cancel it. So we have to write 11. So if we cancel this, or if we cross this number, then which number is become? This number 11 is become. So this process is called regrouping. Okay, we have to regroup this number. So 11 minus 2, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Minus 2. So we have to 2 minus 1 and 2. So how many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. And now if we take 7/10 from 1/10, then how many tens is left? Means 7 minus 1, 1/10 minus how many? 6/10, right? 6/10 is left. So here we again have to cancel this number, and what it become? 6. So this process is also called, this whole process is called regrouping, because we have to regroup this number. 6 minus 2, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 2, 1, 2. So how many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, 49. What is the difference now? The difference is 49. Okay. Now children, this whole process is called the regrouping. Children, are you thinking that the long process we do, and how we confirming that this process, the difference which we get is right or wrong? So are you want to take the process how to check this number? Okay, I am going to tell you. Okay, now children, if we take this process for the checking, so how we have to, in this process we do the subtraction, and in the checking process we do the subtraction. Okay, sorry, addition, not subtraction. So how we have to check? We have to check the process of addition. So checking. How we have to check? We have to checking this. 49, take this number. Ones and tens. Take this number first because this is the difference. So leaving one line for the then 49 and this number 22. Okay, only these two numbers. There's some numbers and the second row, and we have to do plus. Okay, 9 plus 2. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 2 means go forward. 1, 2, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 1 is on the tens column. Then 4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2, 1, 2. Okay, so how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 71 is the sum in this addition, and 71 is the first row of this number, right? This is the larger number through which 22 is subtracted. So this, if you all get this number and this number are same, then you all are confirmed that this process what you have do is correct. Okay, now children, today's homework is exercise 4.2. you all have to do in your book. Okay, and please practice all these sums and keep checking. Try to check all these sums if you all are doing this sum right or wrong. Okay, thank you children, thank you, and please be safe.